and we are going to be over again the third week. So spoiler alert, you'll see that with my paycheck budget closeout on the 19th. Hello everybody, welcome back to Mind Your Money. My name is Tasha. If you're here for the first time, my husband and I are documenting our journey to debt freedom, financial independence while we build generational wealth. And we're starting with managing our money, saving money, and getting out of debt. We have 3 rambunctious boys, one of them who's 3, who's running behind me, so you'll just have to bear with me and please stay tuned. All right, this is going to be my mid-month check-in for March. It's coming out later than I expected, and to be very honest with you, I'm really not that well prepared. So what I'm going to do quickly is go through the calendar to see how many days we had no spends this month, and then we're going to see if we paid all of our bills.
Random Amazon purchases, things for the kids, sports sign-up fees.
Yeah, and I'm going to make sure I remember to turn off the YouTube video that I was watching before I started creating my own. So this video might have some hiccups, but I'll do my best to edit it out, I promise. Let's get into the calendar view now. Okay, so this is the March calendar. We haven't had too many spend days. Well, basically the whole first week of March, I spent money every day. And I'll share with you what I bought. I purchased some cash envelopes from one of my favorite channels, Leslie at the Mother Plan. So I am going to be incorporating some cash envelopes in my budget system probably in April for the second quarter of the year. So this is just one of the purchases I made. I did also purchase some gifts for a friend of mine, someone I appreciate and care for. I did support a couple of my other friends here on YouTube. They have Etsy shops, so you can check the description of the video if you'd like to know who those were, and please go and support because we support each other around here. So every single day of last week, which was the first week, well no, I can't say last week because today is Wednesday the 17th, and I probably won't post this video until Thursday because again, I'm behind. March Madness money is happening, you guys, and if you don't know about it, check the pinned comment. You'll see the playlist there so you know how to enter into the giveaway and participate in the savings challenge. That is what's been keeping me busy, honestly. That and just a whole lot of stuff going on back here. So the first week of March, we spent every day, so there were no spend days there. I was able to have no spend days here for 7th through the 10th. I did spend some money on Thursday last week, so I'll just put my no spend stickers down on the 7th, the 8th, 9th, and 10th, then the 12th and 13th. So if you're new here, I count no spend days as those days where I didn't spend any unbudgeted money or like fun money or gift money. But if I paid a bill on a certain day, that's can be still considered a no spend day if I didn't spend any money that wasn't budgeted or if it wasn't a gift of some sort. But the 12th and the 13th were no spend days, even though bills were paid automatically. So out of, let me see, we're going to count from the 1st to the 13th or even the 14th, because I think my husband has some spending this week. So we're counting from the 1st through the 14th. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 no spend days, which is still probably not too bad. So I'm gonna mark here because on the 11th I did spend some money. Not sure about these days yet because the week is still not finished, but so far I think that's pretty good. And let's check on our bills. So we paid so far for the month our utilities, which were more than what we expected, but it's what it is around this time in the winter. It is colder, and we did have a very bad snowstorm not too long ago, so the heat was more, the electricity was more, but we paid also our internet. My life insurance came out that was paid. And you know what I noticed, you guys? Just because I'm really into details, when I wrote out my bill due stickers or expense stickers, I put the amount that we budgeted for. And I think going forward, I'm not going to do that because actually the bills came out less than what I had budgeted for. And I'm the kind of person, I don't like to white out and go over again. So I think I'm going to leave those blank going forward. That's it for the first 2 weeks of the month. Now we have been saving towards March Madness money, right? But we're not, that's a surprise. So we're not going to tell you guys how much we've saved for that yet because we close out that challenge at the end of this month. For 1 month ahead, we put $48 towards that. And if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see the progress we're making with the $1 challenge, which is really, really fun. The Zero Out challenge, we have about $48 saved up for that so far, but that's from February and March. But if you stay tuned for the closeout of March budget, you'll see exactly how much we were able to save because I do share that at the end of the month. All right. You guys haven't seen this in a while. This is the Grit and Grind Doc Grid notebook. I normally use this to do my mid-month check-ins here. So I'm just going to fill this out quickly so you guys can get to see that we are doing what we said we would do, what we planned on doing for the month of March. Okay, so I received a bonus for our annual bonus of $1,000. Normally it's more, but again, 2020 was a different year. So because of that bonus, and the extra income that my husband brought in, so far for the month, we have given a total of $245 for tithe and offering. We're almost at our goal, the planned amount for the month, which is $360. So of course that means we are going to be over budget in this category, which is a good thing. For rent, of course, we put $300 aside each week. So we've already put aside $600. The car insurance,
things like that,
came out.
Groceries and household.
I hit the button again. I'm watching, what am I watching? Who am I watching? Not what am I watching? Oh gosh, y'all. Dear Debt. I've been watching Dear Debt's April budget, and I stopped because I realized I didn't do my mid-month check-in, so I'm sorry about that. Geico is the car insurance. $61.50 came out there. For food this month, $208.92 we spent so far for food. We were under the first week, over the second week, and we are going to be over again the third week. So spoiler alert, you'll see that with my paycheck budget closeout on the 19th. Electricity, PSE&G is the provider for that, and that was $36.60, so that was less than budgeted, which is good. I think we spent a little more on electricity for next month, so we'll see. The gas utility, we spent $181.20. All right, Prime was $14.14. And one of our goals going forward is to pay Prime in full because we did get stimulated this time. So we are going to take a portion of that and pay off Prime for the year. So that way we save a few coins doing that. Forgive my 3-year-old. All right, internet was $54.98. That came out paycheck too. My life insurance is cleared yet. My husband's has not. $32.50. His life insurance will come out on the 19th, so we're still under budget there. Then we have our cell phone, which has not come out yet. We did put $50 towards our cashless envelopes. For sinking funds for the month, $80, which is half. We are going to exceed that because if you saw my planned budget for the third paycheck, we are definitely going to be over, which is a good thing. So we're saving more. For student loans, so far, that's our only debt that we have left, and that was $93 so far for this month. And for our 1 month ahead, I'm going to skip down there. We are really we're making good traction there. So we saved $48 so far by mid-month. So I think we are doing very well because we paid all our bills, praise God, and we are doing good with our savings. We still have 2 more paychecks to go in the month because my husband and I are paid weekly. So we'll see how we end out when I close out this month's budget. So I think as far as we're concerned, 6 no spend days by mid-month is a good thing. I did support some people. Remember to check out the description box. If you haven't heard of these folks, please go and check them out. And remember to mind your money. Manage it well. Live your lives to the fullest. I'll see you guys later. Bye for now. Okay, this is a Save the Month Challenge tracker or worksheet that I purchased from Budgeting the Bacon on Etsy. So you can see this is her Etsy website link. All right, check her out. I know we're doing a lot of savings challenges right now, so this challenge in itself, I probably won't start until maybe the end of this year, but you can start it at any time. I also purchased the Zero Out Challenge from Leslie, I believe, at the Mother Plan. Or it was either my sis Journey to Peace with Me. I purchased so many things I then forgot, but I will put all of the links to everything I purchased inside the description box. Please support them. Thanks, you guys.